I'm losing my way. You've gotten to me, and that's my mistake. Some might say I can't get too far without seeing your face. Oh, you gave me your heart and took it away. I'm going underground, till your loving comes around, loving comes around.
So we're back on the old El Camino today. You just seen on our time lapse there. Decided not to change the outlet on the intake because we think it's good. It was just a heater hose leaking. Got that back together. Got one side bleeded with our handy dandy new vacuum bleeder there. And now we're bleeding the other side. Had to run to the parts store because we had a busted bleeder.
Busted. She was rusty.
She's rusty. Same difference. So hopefully, right now we're really just trying to get enough brakes on it to get it outside and back in the other shop, and then maybe see what's
ailing her.
What's ailing her. We need to do the maintenance on the Massey Ferguson, and clean up a little bit. So we need to get her out of here for now. That's the goal.
That's mission number one. Get it out of the way.
Yeah. But that's the only way I ever get it worked on, so it's in the way. So
yeah, he purposely parked it here.
5 weeks later, here we are.
It was not 5 weeks.
It's been a couple. So yeah, maybe we'll have brakes in a minute.
Going underground, cause your love is not around anymore. Going underground, yeah.
Sorry in advance for any bad words, he says. So come back, we're videoing. Apparently, we didn't lock the distributor down. Can you see that? So now it's all lockout time again. So she just don't want to be driven. I said she just don't want to be driven.
Yeah. Unfortunately, she's being driven. So, alright, well, let's turn that shit off and let's do this.
What are we doing?
I'm gonna time it. I want it gone. I'm gonna time it.
Going underground, yeah. I hide in the dark, nowhere to be found. Where there was a spark, there's now only doubt. No, I've said it before, I'll say it.
Well, I guess that ends that video. Yeah, this thing has fought us at every turn. We got the heads back on, and we got it running. Transmission wasn't shifting. I think maybe it almost got that fixed, and the fuel line started leaking. Fixed that. Heater hose started leaking. In the middle of that, we realized we didn't have any brakes. Get the heater hose fixed. Got at least the front brake split so we can get out of here, because we really need to maintenance the tractor. It's overdue. And then we realized we didn't lock the distributor down. So none of the timing's all out of whack. And yeah, so of course we had it battery killed by the time we realized it flooded. All that good stuff. Jeremy's mad. He went home. It is frustrating, but it's part of it. Laugh and go on, right? So we'll see y'all next time. Y'all be pretty.